Hi guys!
Hi! Tonight we're gonna do an arch on the theme Star Wars. So let's check it out. We're gonna show you how we build it. It's a new kind of frame with very nice colors for Star Wars theme.
And it's a birthday surprise for tomorrow morning, so that's why we came so late tonight.
How old is he?
11.
Okay, I was 41 when I had my Star Wars birthday. But anyway, may the force be with us. So we're going to do an arch. I'm going to try to speak clearly because we need to work with mask to the client. So we have 3 long tubes, like this primary pipes that we use for the arch. So we're going to get them together and we're going to hold them with these 2 screws that we put in the very heavy plates. So this will hold the arch very nicely. So all we need to do is make sure it doesn't go under, otherwise it could scratch the floor. So I'm gonna just screw it, and just enough. So this is gonna be on one side of the stairs. We're gonna build the, just go a little further, the arch just like that. So one side here and one side here. Same stuff here. All right. So these pipes are super easy.
Oh, this one's short, we have two longer.
Yeah, I know what I'm explaining. So these pipes, they're just a little wider so you can assemble them. So I'm gonna put the short one in the middle, doesn't matter how long.
Pipe was actually 10 feet long and we cut it.
One here. Careful. And another one here. Super easy. And now what we do is just, with two people, you can do it once, but it's way more difficult. One goes in, just put straight, and the other one right here. It's super easy because it goes against the walls, so it's not gonna move.
Yeah, and actually you can keep pipe longer and it's gonna be higher.
All right, let's get to the balloons and go.
Today we are doing Star Wars theme arch. It's not gonna be classy, it's gonna be organic arch. And my clients choose white, red, black and silver colors and a little bit green. And we're gonna add some theme balloons. Start with theme balloons.
That's my stuff. Nice.
I'm mostly using 11-inch balloons, but I'm gonna add some 16-inch balloons.
All of them? 1, 2, oh yeah. Yeah. Got all the characters from Star Wars. Good.
So first cluster of balloon, or a little bit, go from here.
Maybe you can bring it a little bit more.
But it's okay, it's organic,
Okay.
so it's fine.
Okay.
Don't panic, it's organic.
Don't panic, it's organic. Let's make a song.
So we simply just go around. Like this. Because
Gray,
it's not classic
white,
art,
black.
we use different size of balloons and it's totally fine.
like Darth Vader.
Huh?
It sounds like Darth Vader. Next.
You can inflate big balloons, but right now you can do some small stars. Rather than do it now.
Yeah, because it's Star Wars. We need stars. All this?
No, but this you also have to. Rubber bands.
You want 260s or tape on this?
We'll see, I don't know yet.
Let's do stars with 260.